Hello everyone, my name is Vadini. I'm assistant professor in RPIIT Bastara, Karnal. Today we are going to learn about computer graphics. Let's start with the introduction. The process transforms and presents information in a visual form. The role of computer graphics insensible. In today's life, the computer graphics has now become a common element in user interfaces, TV commercial, motion pictures, etc. Computer graphics is the creation of pictures with the help of a computer. The end product of the computer graphics is a picture. It may be a business, graph, drawing, and engineering. What is the definition of computer graphics? It is the use of computers to create and manipulate pictures on a display device. Comprises of software techniques to create, store, modify, and represents the pictures. Why computer graphics use? Suppose a shoe manufacturing company want to show us the sale of shoe for 5 years. For this vast amount of information is to be stored. So a lot of time and memory will be needed. This method will be tough to understand by a common man. In this situation, graphics is a better alternative. Graphic tools are charts and graphs. Using graphs, data can be represented in pictorial form. A picture can understood easily just within a single look. So graphics can be generalized by generative graphics, like used to create line, circle, and ellipse. Then image analysis, used to generate or generation of the pictures and images. Then cognitive, used for photogenic images. What are the applications of computer graphics? Education and training. Computer generated model of physical, financial, and economic system is often used as educational aids. Use in biology. Molecular biologists can display a picture of molecules and gain insight into their structure with the help of computer graphics. Architect can explore an alternative solution to design problems at an interactive graphics terminal. Presentation graphics. Example of presentation graphics are bars, charts, line graphs, pie charts, and other displays showing relationship between multiple parameters. Computer generated maps. Town planners, and transportation engineers can use computer generated maps which display data useful to them in their planning work. Rest are computer arts. It is used to field in the field of commercial arts also. Generation, like it is used to generate television and advertisement, commercial entertainment, now commonly used making motion pictures, music videos, television shows. Visualization, it is used in visualization of the scientists, engineers, medical personnel, business analyst for the study of a large amount of information. Educational software. Computer graphics is used in the development of software, educational software for making computer aided instruction. The last but not the least, it's a printing technology. Computer graphics is used for printing technology and textile design. These are some examples of computer graphics like Logo, Corel Draw, AutoCAD, 3D Studio Core, GKS, Finks, and CAM, CGI. So these are some of the examples of the computer graphics. If you like the content of the video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.